We went to the Apple store at the South Coast Plaza in Costa Mesa, California. In this video, we're going to unbox my early birthday gift from Seb. And this one is showing you the Apple store and then what I've got. And then let's go do the unboxing.
So after the live we did on YouTube, we are going to go to do hiking because I realize now we are doing all the time the things I want, like to swim, to go to the beach. But Carlo, he really likes to do hiking. Personally, not really. But I will try to update my mind, and yeah, that's the compromise in the couple. So yeah.
Yeah, so that's why we're dressed like this, and it so happened that he gave me my early birthday gift right now, so I'm going to unbox it with you guys so that you'll see it. I used to have this old iWatch. This one is series 3. There you go. And then this one I had a lot of lag on this one. And then for today, he gave me the unboxing for this one. This is the Series 6 space gray aluminum case, 44 mm. So this is the bigger one. And then the coolest thing about, let's open this up first. So thank you, baby. Yay. So this is his first early gift. And then there you go. Ta-da! And then this one is, I think, it's just an addition on that. So this is that. Oh, you pull it out. Oh, I guess you pull it like the tab. Okay, and then ta-da! So here you go. Thank you. Oh, thank you, baby. And this one, we got this one from South Coast Plaza. He got this one for me at South Coast Plaza. And then here's the band. The band on this one. Oh, so it comes with the watch and then the cord. And then that's that. And this one is the loop. Solo loop, so that's the name of it. This is the invention that they have, because typically they do have the latch, right, or the buckle. They call it the buckle. So yeah, so that's how it looks like. But now they have the one that we showed on our Instagram, like
arm.
Yes, like this one. Now there's no buckle. It's like a bracelet type of thing.
Yeah.
So which is really nice. And then he got me this. This is about $52 with tax, no? Oh, yeah, including the tax, $52. If you're interested on that one, this is called Solo Loop. And then the color is, what color is this? White. Thank you. So, and then they will measure you anyways. So if you go to the Apple store, they're going to measure you accordingly. His is 5, mine is 6 or 7.
Let's see here. I think we have it here. 7.
Oh, 7.
We have it here like that.
Yes. And then so you're just going to attach it like the same as before, but this time there's no buckle, which is really good. And then now it's kind of like a bracelet. This is the before, and then this is the after. So take a picture of that, mister. There you go. So that's the 2 different things on there. And then yeah, so this is the Series 6. We're going to tell you what the features are next time on this one. And then for the meantime, I gotta use this one because we're gonna go hiking today. So we're incorporate that one with our physical health activity today. So
I'm feeling like it's more lighter, no?
yeah, and it's lighter, and then this one is heavier. This one has the swimming feature of it. This is a waterproof, and then we'll go give you the details later.
And the good point for me, it's they have the talkie-walkie app.
Oh yeah.
So I
So we
want to
can
be
use
able to
that.
send him a message when, for example, I don't know, it's like that in my mind. When he done his day of work, and I can tell him, go to buy your bread, you know, or go to clean the car. You know, I can give him some orders.
So yeah, and then using by walkie-talkie. So yeah. So now you're just going to slide it in like so, and then there you go. There you have it. Instead of latching it in and then putting it and then doing that. Now, it's a carefree type of thing. Now I have to set it up because I need to pair it with my phone. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested on this one, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram too. It's Carlo&Seb, and then follow his channel too.
Yeah, don't
His,
forget the step, it's important. Huh?
yes.
It's on the details, you have the fancy.
So follow his Instagram account. It's Seb Salcido. And then yeah, thank you very much for watching.
Bye
We'll see you
bye.
again in the next video. Bye.